Yes. Today we'll discuss some of the reasoning questions based on rate of evaporation. We have already discussed the factors that affect rate of evaporation. How many factors are there which affect the rate of evaporation? First is nature of liquid. Second, surface area of liquid. Third, temperature. Fourth, humidity. And fifth, wind speed. So here are some reasoning questions based on rate of evaporation. So you have to think which factor is affecting here. Okay. So your first question is, acetone evaporates faster than water. Do you know what is acetone? This is the chemical which is present in nail polish remover. It evaporates faster. Acetone evaporates faster than water. Why? So here which factor you can discuss? Nature of liquid. Acetone, interparticle force of attraction in acetone is weaker as compared to water. Interparticle force of attraction means force of attraction between two particles. So acetone has weaker interparticle force of attraction than water. And as it has weaker interparticle force of attraction, less energy is required to overcome the attractive force. To break the attractive force, less energy is required. So acetone evaporates faster than water. So here in this answer, which factor we are discussing? Nature of liquid. Okay. Now come to second question. Clothes dry faster when they are well spread. This we have already discussed. Well spread means what increases? Surface area. So wet clothes, they dry faster when they are well spread. So when you spread the clothes, what happens? Surface area increases. And when surface area increases, rate of evaporation increases. So clothes dry faster when they are well spread. So here which factor we are discussing? Surface area. Clear? Next. Tea becomes colder faster in a saucer than in a cup. Why? Hot tea if you take in a cup, the same tea if you take in a saucer, it becomes cold faster. Tea becomes cold faster in a saucer than in a cup. So here again which factor we can discuss? Surface area. In saucer the surface area is more than cup. So when surface area increases, rate of evaporation increases. So in saucer, rate of evaporation becomes faster due to greater surface area of the liquid. Saucer, surface area is more, so the liquid tea taken in has, that also gets greater surface area and rate of evaporation increases. Greater the surface area, greater is the rate of evaporation. Okay. Next. Water kept in an earthen pot becomes cool during summer. Why? What do you mean by earthen pot? Earthen pot means matka. Mitti ka ghada. Matka. So water taken in an earthen pot becomes cool during summer. During summer season, the water kept in the earthen pot becomes cool. Why? Now do you know in an earthen pot there are pores, small holes are there. So when water is kept in the earthen pot, the water slowly seeps through the pores in the walls of the pot. Seeps means it passes through the pores in the walls of the pot. And when it reaches the outer surface of the pot, it undergoes evaporation. And for evaporation, what is required? Heat energy. So it absorbs, water absorbs heat. From where it will absorb the heat? It will absorb heat from the pot and the water kept in the earthen pot. And how much heat it will absorb? Equal to latent heat of vaporization. And the water in the earthen pot becomes cool. Okay.